Sir, paano sa Senate?
Well, sa Senate, ibahin po natin ang calculations doon. I'm not ready to make any announcement about this.
What would you be interested in again?
As president of the party, I will aspire to be Senate president so that the agenda of the party and the president can be shepherded through the Senate. I'm the only PDP Laban in the Senate, and I know the history of the party. Once upon a time, we had an LP-PDP Laban coalition in 1992, and I have good memories of that partnership. So I am friends with the LP. Maybe iba po ang equation sa Senado. Tignan po natin what will happen. That's correct.
All of the non-LPs together. Kasi if you get all the non-LPs together, then you can actually, you have more than enough.
That's correct. Basta iba po ang calculation sa Senado, kailangan ng 13 votes. So plus the candidate himself. So the candidate himself needs 12 other senators to back him up. So wala pa po akong masasabi, but yun lang, I have good memories of the LP-PDP Laban partnership way back in 1992.
So first, mga ilan lang mga senators na nakausap nila to support the research?
Wala pa akong kinakausap about the Senate presidency.